What is up, YouTube? I am making a video tonight. It is Friday, so happy weekend to you all. Homeowner kit. This was the first stuff I bought from Walmart, and I'll just very quick, brief. I bought these Stanleys here. Got tape measure, 2 tape measures, pipe wrench. You know what? Go check out the first video. Like I said, all in all, I think it was $93 and some change. I'm trying to do this homeowner kit for under $200, but I think we'll be closer around $250. It's crazy how fast tools add up, even if you're trying to do it on a budget. You still need stuff to work. I do want to say Sunday night I'm going to be live on Brad's Workbench's channel. Client Graphics, Junk from Work, myself, and I guess there's going to be some guests too, so it should be a fun time. 9 Central Sunday PM. So the next thing in the kit, so we're at like $93 right now. I bought this Bosch drill bit set. When I had the Den of Tools on, he said it was junk. It might be, I can't tell. I haven't used it yet, but what I liked about it was it had masonry, regular for like steel and stuff, wood bits, had a few sockets up here, holder, got bits here, and a countersink. This was $11, so we're at what, 104, 105. I could check prices at Home Depot, but I thought this was a pretty good kit. Black & Decker does make some good kits also, so you can always go to Walmart and go that route. But the drill, so that's probably going to be your first big purchase. And I figured, yes, you can buy a combo kit, drill and impact, for $100 usually. But that's, I think I paid $70 for this drill, so you're still $30 more, and the drill will do what an impact does. I really like using drills. It's nice on the ears. Now, why did I choose this? They do have a cheaper one for about $60 that looks more like this. It's longer. The reason I didn't go with this is it's a 3/8 inch chuck. This is a 1/2 inch chuck, and this is also compact. So, believe it or not, you might need a 1/2 inch drill bit, and you'll be able to put in there, if you mud mixing stuff, mud mixing paddles and all that stuff. Usually 1/2 inch is what they go in for the bigger stuff. Anyways, I went with Ryobi. This comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. Like I said, it's a compact. I think Ryobi's a good brand to get into. I was going to go Hyper Tough, but Ryobi's a good one to go into, because if you don't decide to go full bore and become a DIY or whatever, you'll have a good drill for a long time. If you do, they have a huge lineup that's, people might rag on it. It's been around for a long time, and for the most part, I hear a lot of good things about it, and I use them at home. They've been very good for me, so it's a tried and true brand. That's why I went with this. So let's just open it up, see what we get with it. Well, we know what we get, but let's see what it looks like. Hefty. Alright, let's open her up. If this is your first cordless tool, a little bag's nice to keep it in. You know, you can throw your bits in here, probably throw your charger up on the workbench or what have you, and you know, go. Now another option you might want to go with, but you don't have to, is their 12 volt, but I think you're still paying about $50 for this. So in my head, I did go through this for a long time. I think this was the best option. You got a standard Ryobi charger, probably charges them in about an hour. See what this drill looks like. I mean, I like it. It is pretty compact. The thing about Ryobis is they're a little bit bigger than Milwaukee and DeWalt and Makita. Some people like that, some don't. Depends on your hand size, I guess. Mine are average, but these feel pretty good in the hand. I hate saying that, but God, it sounds so fucking bad. Excuse my language. And we got 2 batteries. These are probably going to be 1.3 or 1.5 amp hours. And they are the 1.3, well, it won't focus, but it's 1.3 amp hours. You get 2 of them now. So, like I said, you can put the charger on your workbench, throw your batteries in there, throw your bits in there, and you know, you're good to go. You can even throw your tape measure or whatever you got going on, your level. It's a nice little bag, carry stuff around. Let's see the actual drill. One thing I have come to love with Ryobis, and you know, it might be gimmicky, but I do use it a lot, is the magnet on the bottom. They are, yeah, these are 4-inch screws. These are probably a little big, but you know, if you're working on something, oh, those went flying, but you know, I mean, if you have smaller screws, you could put a lot more on there, but not too bad. Like I said, it's a little gimmicky, but in the right circumstances, I like them. They work well. So that's speed 2. We got 24 clutch positions. It's a 2-speed drill. You have a nice little bubble level in the back, spirit level. Yeah, I always like I said, some of this stuff's gimmicky. Not too bad though. Chuck looks pretty good there. It's a hand tightened chuck, nothing special on it. Would like to see like an all metal construction. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show this. I think, and this is model number P208B, 18 volt, half inch. It's 0 to 440 in setting 1 and 0 to 1600 in setting 2. I think this will do great and serve you for many years. $70 is not bad. So we're at like 175, 180 bucks, and I have a few more things to add to the kit. And I'll also show some stuff that you just want to have around the house, like Teflon tape and electrical tape and duct tape and pipe dope, things like that. But that's it. The Ryobi. This is the one I picked. This is the one I chose. I've had good luck with them. And for first time homeowner and or just DIYer type person, it will serve you well. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And don't forget, Sunday 9 Central Time PM, Brad's Workbench is having a live stream, and it's going to be a blast. I hope you all have a great weekend. I'll check you later.